So today we're in the workshop with Mizpah, and I'm so excited for you to check out a few of my favorites. I was just telling Carla which pieces were my favorites from their designs, and I can't wait for you to check them out yourself. So one of my favorite pieces is the square rings. He makes these amazing square rings that they're kind of like a puzzle the way they all fit together, and with beautiful stones. I was just looking at these two specifically. I can't even decide which one's my favorite.
Today, for 6-7 hours a day.
6 to 7 hours a day, 2 days of work. What is amazing to me with this piece is that I think that when you see this ring, you don't expect it to be comfortable.
Exactly.
And when the first time I saw it, I was like, oh yeah, it looks really cool. But then when I put it on, it's unbelievably comfortable. It's unbelievably comfortable. It's so nice the way it fits.
Exactly.
And I just was so surprised.
Because this part is thick
Mm-hmm.
and it's for comfortable.
Yeah, it's just such a unique piece. How long have you been making this style?
1 year.
1 year with the square.
Yes.
Yeah. This is such an incredible art to know that you've just made like 5 rings in one with an amazing design. I think everyone needs one of these rings.